hello, I'm Cray for Coasters, and today I'm doing a saw behind the scenes because I missed out on the Towers ×1. Yeah, I'm pretty sad about that. I'm speaking like I have a radio mic on, which I don't, so leveling. Anyway, B-roll, bye! Oh my gosh, not me spending like 30 minutes a day just recording this shot right here. Oh my god, is that Billy the Puppet? I'm already like just genuinely nerding out about the ride system, not even the theming. I'm just like, I get too interested in this stuff. It's just a standard Eurofighter, but still it's so interesting to me. Going in the console. I think so. Isn't that just freak nerd mode activated? Oh my god, you're an engineer? Oh, they're so heavy! You can feel that they're heavy. That is like very fun. Up, stop, go, boo! These are spring loaded, right? No. I see why this thing is so rough.
They do just like little bits of engineering down here, optional on the main stuff, that's done in the main workshop downstairs.
Yes, I am. Is that like actual? No. Oh.
Yeah, careful, isn't it?
Harvey, can I touch John Kramer? Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Everything. This is like rides. You piqued my interest. You know what? Actually, why the fuck not? This is the most chaotic video I've ever recorded. Sorry for my squealing noises. Oh, this is like a geek moment for me. Oh my god! Thank you for the idea. You are amazing. Okay, so basically, this is oily as. I should make my second mark on the park. Also, down there I have a wrap ID. Also, my bottle just hit the track. That is so much fun. Let me try and do this without having abysmal handwriting. Oh god, my hand. There you go. Oh. Does anyone want some Saw the Ride grease?
I'll skip today, but maybe another day.
I'm selling it for 500
Can you undo my
quid
horror
on
stuff, I will.
eBay. Yeah, 500 quid a gram.
That reminds me of those people on eBay, like the firework traps.
Oh my god.
I was like, you can buy that for being cute.
Oh, do you know the cable from Rita?
You can buy it for being cute.
I made a fake one. I made a fake one.
Don't make me laugh, because I really am giggly.
Because I literally couldn't, I don't have 350 quid lying around. This is like so many wants and needs put into one. Yeah, I'm actually really glad that I booked onto this. Heck yeah. Not a waste of, I feel like this is already worth it to me. because I'm just like, I nerd about every single thing that I see. I'm really unfit.
Name it.
Yeah, what should my camera be called?
Teresa.
Teresa.
Teresa May.
Teresa May.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the key from Saul.
Teresa first name. What's my camera's last name?
May.
May.
Teresa May.
Why May?
Teresa Johnson.
Teresa June.
Susan.
Teresa Season.
Teresa Season.
Yes. Teresa Season, my camera.
What is
Teresa Season.
Teresa Season. So my camera, aptly named Teresa May, is currently helping me nerd out about Soblight. Oh, also these stairs are, they're like scarier than the ride. They're scarier than everything. I'm actually like proud of myself because I'm...
It's fine. Hi guys, this is MTV Cribs.
Hi. I don't know what I'm saying.
Anyway, yeah, this is like incredibly cool. And I'm getting really nerdy now because ride area slay. Genuine gods, slay.
Did you say?
Genuine gods, yeah.
Oh god.
Well, both actually.
Goth God. Hee.
It wouldn't focus.
No.
Oh my god, no wheel? It's giving bozo.
It's given bozo.
That transition is so like, oh my god. Screaming inside right now. I've never been on this side. I've been on the other side quite a fair bit, but I've never been on this side. Wow. The transitions. I'm a nerd. I haven't come to terms with that. How fucking... It's just pretty. It's gorgeous. Like the way that like everything flows into it. That's a lie, it's all the ride, it has no flow. No, it just has no flow. It's not bad, it's better because of it. It's unpredictable, I like it. You know Ruben is actually based. I get why this is number one. Everything here is so beautiful. Look at the transitions. It's just gorgeous, I love it. Oh, the drop off of that is so tight though. Oh my gosh, Canada Creek Railway.
Student ID.
Canada Creek Railway.
It's not his.
It's not his. No, sorry, Lawrence Gordon. I haven't seen any Saw movies in like over a year.
Get on it.
Shut up, I'll do it whenever I can.
Mine now.
Oh my god, Devious Lick. That's going in the vlog. Devious Lick Daisy. Saw the ride Greece.
I'll skip today, but maybe another day.
I'm standing at the 500
Maybe when I do
quid
my
on
horror
eBay.
stuff, I will.
Yeah, 500 quid a gram. Focus. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Key, Devious Lick, Saw.
Hey Emily.
I'm just gonna run along in front of you so I can get some epic cinematic shots.
I mean, I'm really good to say
You can see the gimbal walk, the speed, the smoothness, the intelligence, the lack of shaking. It's like I have a gimbal. It's still smooth. Vibes. Okay, so Thorpe BTS done. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. I nerded out like halfway for all of that even. I put like 5 things there. Why not? Sorry for being trash at talking. Yeah, I'm like really uncomfortable around my camera now. I don't know why, because normally I feel most comfortable in front of it. It's a big problem because I have a YouTube channel, but yeah. Anyway, I did the Thorpe BTS and it was incredible. I nerded out through the entirety of that. I put like 5 things in there, so look out for them when you ride them. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the B-roll throughout this episode. It was shot all today, mostly on this lens here and some of it on the lens that you're watching right now. It took absolutely ages and I hope you've enjoyed it so much. Anyway, yeah, that's been it from me, Sophia Cray Cray for Coasters. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.